In this video we are going to talk about 10 daily habits that are destroying your skin. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. We all want a perfect, model-worthy complexion, but getting one can be more difficult than we'd like. Your skin may be moisturized, cleansed, and toned on a regular basis, but it is still not picture perfect, and this could be down to a few terrible daily habits that are wreaking havoc on your complexion. Here at CGD, we've compiled a list of the top 10 skin sins to avoid in order to achieve a healthy glow. Number 10. Putting on makeup before going to bed. Taking off your makeup after a hard day at work or a late night out with friends may be the last thing on your mind. Allowing your makeup and oil accumulation from the day to remain on your skin all night can result in bacterial infections and plugged pores, which can lead to acne. Furthermore, as you sleep, your body temperature rises somewhat, which enhances absorption of whatever is on the skin surface, so if it's makeup, you can expect an increase in spots. Number 9. Using strong cleaning products. This may sound counterintuitive because scrubbing is an important element of any skincare routine, but over-cleansing can actually harm your skin. If you have dry skin, be careful not to over-cleanse because this will strip your skin of its natural oils, leaving it even worse. Choose a creamy or oil-based cleanser at night, such as Liz Earle's Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser, which is gentler on dry or sensitive skin. Natural active components like eucalyptus and cocoa butter are included in the plant-based cleanser, leaving skin smooth and moisturized. La Roche-Posay Effaclar Purifying Foaming Gel is a wonderful option for oily or blemish-prone skin types. Number 8. Exfoliating excessively. While having perfectly clean skin feels wonderful, exfoliating using gritty exfoliators can increase oil production and cause breakouts by spreading bacteria. If a scrub stings or leaves your skin red and blotchy, avoid using it since, in addition to removing flaky skin, it also removes your skin's natural moisturizing oils. Rough natural exfoliators can irritate and inflame the skin, but a mild exfoliator using microbeads or sugar is considerably gentler. Number 7. Getting rid of imperfections. We all know how tempting it is, but squeezing a pimple actually pushes the bacteria further into the pores, increasing the risk of infection and scarring while also lengthening the duration of the blemish. Rather than squeezing the spot, apply a small quantity of spot therapy to it at night to assist it calm and diminish. Number 6. Forgetting to apply sunscreen. We're all guilty of forgetting to apply SPF before foundation in the mornings, unless it's a very scorching sunny day. Even in the winter, our skin is vulnerable to sun damage, so it's important to take precautions to keep our skin looking healthy and beautiful. If you're in a rush in the mornings and don't have time to apply SPF and then foundation, look for a foundation that contains an SPF to keep you protected all day. Number 5. Using items that aren't appropriate for your skin type. If you don't utilize products designed for your skin type, your skin will suffer, leading to additional breakouts and irritation. Choose products with salicylic and glycolic acid, such as Alpha H's Liquid Gold, for oily skin. This cult favorite is an overnight skin treatment that works to rejuvenate skin cells while also enhancing elastin and collagen levels to keep the skin firm. Look for face cleansers designed exclusively for sensitive skin, such as this Olay Foaming Face Wash. Stick to paraben-free face creams like Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream, which contains skin-plumping hyaluronic acid, vitamins A, C, and E, as well as relaxing frangipani. Choose a foamy cleanser for oily skin and a clarifying toner, such as this Dr. Hauschka toner if you have combination skin. Calendula, witch hazel, and daisy, which are antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, soothe and regulate sebum production while constricting pores. Number 4. Sleep deprivation. Getting less than 7 hours of sleep per night can cause your skin to become dull and fine wrinkles to emerge, especially around the eyes. To keep your skin nourished and hydrated, get at least 8 hours of sleep each night. Satin, silk, or Egyptian cotton pillowcases are also recommended for sleeping because rough pillowcases can cause wrinkles during the night. Number 3. Insufficient hydration. Drinking enough water is one of the simplest methods to make your skin glow. Water drinking helps to improve the color and texture of your skin by ensuring adequate cell renewal. To maintain a healthy, bright complexion, it is advised that you consume at least 2 liters of water per day. Number 2. Consumption of junk food. As difficult as it may be to accept, Your nutrition has a greater impact on your appearance than you may realize. People who replaced processed carbs with high-protein diets had fewer breakouts, according to a research published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology. Simply explained, high glycemic meals like white carbohydrates raise your blood sugar, causing an insulin surge. Higher insulin levels encourage the production of oil-producing hormones known as androgens, which can increase the number of blemishes on your skin. It's advisable to avoid junk food in favor of snacks high in healthy fats, which provide necessary nutrients for hair, skin, and nails. Number 1. Smoking. Smoking breaks down elastic fibers in the skin, which is why smokers' complexions might appear yellow-toned, and it speeds up the enzyme responsible for breaking down collagen, which leads to wrinkles. If you desire flawless skin, you should consider stopping. There you have it. If you're more curious about healthy skin, please be sure to check the link in the description down below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe for daily content. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.